So to get the global soil data, we are going to use this website of the European Soil Data Center. So Google European Soil Data Center or simply click on the link in the description below. It's this website, we'll click on it and we will be redirected to this website. So you have a lot of information about this project, but for us, we are more interested in our data sets. So click on data set. You will get here this results. So you have a lot of data sets to choose from, all kind of data about soil and soil content, especially in Europe. But for our case, we are interested in our soil erosion around the globe. So in order to look for our data, we are going to use this search bar. So here type global soil erosion and click on search. So you will get a lot of results. So global soil erosion, biodiversity factor and soil erosion. So in this tutorial we are interested in this global soil erosion. Click on it. So this is our data. Here you have all the information about this data and the reference in case you want to cite the source of this data. We will click on request form and here you should input your email, your first and last name and your organization. Here you can specify the type of organization and here you should write the purpose of your research and click on accept and input this captcha. At the end, just click on submit. After that you will get this tab. It's telling you that you will get this data in your email. This could take any time from a few minutes to a few hours, so please be patient. So you will get this kind of email. Here you will find the link to access your data. Click on it and you will be redirected to this website. So here you have your data, you can access them. So in order to download the data, scroll down and click on this zip file. At the end of the download you will get this zip file. Right click on it and then click on extract here in order to unzip it and you will get this folder with a lot of data. So now you will need a GIS software in order to open this data. So you can use ArcGIS or QGIS. In my case I will use ArcGIS. After opening ArcGIS I will click on map and I will click on add data and I will go to my work folder and I will click on my folder that I just extracted and here you have the data, the scale of 25 kilometers and also the data with a scale of 250 meters. So let's go ahead with the first one. I will click on this chief file and I will click on OK. So I will click on this data 25 kilometers and let's go ahead and import all of this data. And that's the final result. You can see here that I have successfully imported my global soil erosion data. So thanks a lot for watching. Like the video and subscribe if you want to get more tutorials.